Hi guys, today I will tell you about how to use ProfitMart's LMS application. So let's start. First we need to download this app from Google Play Store. We'll go to Google Play Store, type ProfitMart LMS. So we need to download this app which I have already downloaded. So let's check it out. So this is the app which we have downloaded. So let's open this app and see how it works. First of all, you need to log in with your user ID and password. I would be doing the same. So this is how it looks like. Guys, lead management is a very important part of sales. This app will not only be helping you in that, but also it will help you to promote your business online. This would be acting as a digital diary for you in tracking and managing your leads. So if you see at the bottom of your screen, there are various options like new task, view task, search, refer and about us. So let's start. There would be three major sources of leads. The leads which would be assigned to you from the head office. Second, the leads which you would be assigning to yourself on your own, and the leads which you will be receiving from various promotions on social media. So let's start with the new task option. So new task would be majorly helping you in managing your own leads. For example, you received a lead from one of your friend and the person is interested for opening a trading account. So you will be putting his details in this column. You will put in the client name. For example, the name is Rahul. I will put the email ID which I have received, mobile number, name of the city, address. I am just putting a short address, and the name of the person. So the task date would be for today. Today I have received this lead, and the source I can put any of these: Google, Facebook, Leaf, manual, website. So I would be putting manual, and the person is interested for an eKYC. I would be creating this task. So what I have done is I have captured the data of my lead into my digital diary, which is this LMS. So this task can be viewed now. So in view task, you can see the lead which I have assigned to myself, and there are leads which are assigned to me from the head office. So our next step should be to update these leads. For updating the lead, you need to click on any of the leads. So you can call directly from the app to this client. You have to click on this option, call to client, and from here you can directly call this client. So let's say we have given a call to this client and the client is interested for opening a trading account with us. So we would be updating the details over here. Write description. So I'll write client interested for trading account. So since he has received the call, so see, there are again two options over here. There is a missed call option and there is a received call option. So if the call is missed, then you can update likewise, and you can assign yourself the next date where you would be again calling him. For example, if the call is missed, you can write that you need to again call him on 26th or on the same day. So let's suppose I have to call him the next day. So I would be putting the date 26th, and any time I can choose, and I'll put in an option call back and update this lead. So in this case, since he has received my call, I'll click on the option received call. So suppose the client has asked to take a follow-up after 2 days. So we would be updating the date in the new task date as 27th. So he has asked to call on 27th and take a follow-up for the documents. So we would be updating this date, and you can choose a time. Suppose I have to call him on at 2 p.m. So now I would have to update likewise. So there are various options. In this case he has asked to call up, but there are other options: follow up, closed, not interested, and existing client. You can choose it likewise. So I would be updating this lead now. Click on the update option. So this task is now updated successfully. So where can we see this now? So you can see there are various options on the top of your screen: pending, callback, in process, closed, not interested, and existing client. So all these options are available when you are updating your lead. And since we have updated this lead as a callback after 2 days, so we would be checking the same in the callback option. So click on the callback option. So it was not a missed call, it was a received call. So if it was a missed call, the leads which would be captured over here, and since it was a received call, we would be clicking the received option, and there the first one is our lead which we have updated now. So callback date you can see over here, 27th at 2 p.m. and if we click on this, so here you can see this lead which we have updated, and on the 27th we would be again calling this client and update the status likewise. So for example, we have given a call to this client on 27th, and he has given us the documents, and we have put the status as closed, and you can write the description: closed for trading account, and update this option. So now you can find this option over here in the closed section. So this is the lead which we have closed for trading account. The next is the search option. In search option you can search for any of your clients. Just put in the name and click the search button. So now it is showing two details. One is the complete one and one is the callback one. So that means there are two tasks in the name of Rahul which have been completed, and one in the callback section. So let's see. If we go in the view task, in the completed or the closed one, so there are two clients in the name of Rahul which have been completed, and one in the callback section. Now coming on to a very important function of this app, which is the refer part. So at the bottom of your screen you can see there is an option refer. Just click onto it once. So now you can see there are different ads which are run by the company. There are 12 different apps over here. According to the product, there are different ads. So now you can promote your business from here through different social media platforms. So you can see there are various social media platforms: WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. So you can advertise these products in any of these platforms. You just have to choose any of these ads. Say for example I choose this one and I want to advertise it on my WhatsApp. So what I would be doing is I would be clicking the WhatsApp icon once, and I would be sending it to any of my friends. Say I have sent it to Mr. Gaurav. So Mr. Gaurav would be receiving the link like this. So what he would be doing is he would be clicking onto this link, and so when he clicks on the link, it will take him to this page. So here it will ask the client to enter his details, his name, his email ID, and mobile number. Then he would be asked to click this link, open an account. So when he clicks on this link, this data is automatically captured in your LMS app. So you can see his data over here. You can go to view task. Here the first option is Gaurav. So this person has clicked onto your link and he has tried to open an account. So either he can open an account from here while putting his details and proceeding with all the procedures of account opening, and you can also take a follow up by looking onto your app in the pending section. So here is his lead. So you can see how we can capture the data of all the clients where we are sending the links. So whether it is a WhatsApp, whether it is Facebook, whether it is Insta, wherever you are sending these links, all those clients who are clicking onto these, all that data is captured on the view task option. And after clicking onto this lead, you can again give him a call and take a follow up and update the lead likewise. So this is how our LMS app works, and I hope this video was able to demonstrate the usage of this app. And if you have any other query, you can definitely contact your RM. Thank you so much and happy selling.